You can come on there.
Yeah. And then? Yeah.
Come here, lady.
Oh, so yeah, do everything one time.
All right, check. All right, so again, you don't know anything. So here we have people, the winning coach this evening, teacher Lenny Hyde. Coach Hyde, it's a big game today. What was the expectation? What was the plan for the game?
Well, we're seeing that we went down against Old Harbour and we're in second position. We were hell bent on trying to get 3 points at home. We lost our first game at home, so that one was unacceptable. So we spoke to them. We trained pretty well this week, and I think they came out and give it their all today.
I must confess to you that in the 2 games that I have watched, my concern or my thing about Dinthill was that they were not putting in terms of the purpose going forward. We see a lot difference. What was the plan or the change coming into this game?
No, we have to score a goal now, you know, and it can come down to a goal different thing. So we spoke about that this week. We did some finishing, but I was working on possession. That's why you see the first game we try and keep the ball for most of the game. Yeah. But possession without purpose, it won't work. So we have to try and get both things together. Yeah. Possession, and then when we come forward, we do the things that we're going to let us score goals, you know. So we are trying to get everything together. The cohesion with the team not there as yet. You know, most of the new system, how I want them to play, you can see it in patches. But with more games and more training by the middle and next round, you can see some good football.
Coach, there's some words on the street that Dinthill has not yet got their top players in, or all their players. Yeah. How is it going so far?
Well, we have to work with where we are. We get in one today, Paris, and he scored a goal.
Oh.
Yes, we got him just a nick of time, we got him, and he scored the winner. So we have about 4 or 5 players left to come in, so that will strengthen the team going forward.
Okay, so that you can hear it. So, Coach, yes, you say going forward, very impressive. Can you tell Jamaica, can you tell the rest of the Doncaster Cup teams what to expect from Dinthill?
No, good football, exciting football. Yeah.
Thank you very much, teacher, and congratulations again. All right, blessings. Yes, so that's